BPI Sports Whey HD banana marshmallow. I really hope it tastes like 25 grams of protein. Look at them stats. What's good, YouTube? Hardbody J Timo here, man. Yeah, taste test. You know what I'm talking about? Banana marshmallow. Hopefully it tastes like that. I'm gonna read the ingredients to y'all again. You know what I'm talking about? It's 25 servings. Yeah, I mean, 25 servings, about 37 grams. Of course, I'm gonna weigh the serving out on the ski scale. You know what I'm talking about? 3 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbs, 25 grams of protein. So let me bust this thing open, you know what I'm talking about? I wonder if it got that famous whey protein smell. Y'all know what I'm talking about that. Nah, it smells good. And guess what? The scoop is at the top. The scoop ain't never at the top. The scoop is at the top. Turn this thing on. Put more water up in this thing. I'm using water too, y'all. You know what I mean? So we can just get the true flavor, so I can give you true flavor. He said a full serving is 37 grams, so let's see. It's 30. Seven. Let's see. Shake this up. Mixability look alright. We're gonna see in a second. Taste test. Dun dun dun. I mean, consistency is not super thick, but it's you know, it's a shake though for sure. That tastes pretty good, man. I give it an 8 out of 10, maybe a 9. Maybe a 9 just based on, I mixed it with water. I taste bananas. I don't really taste marshmallow, but it tastes good. It tastes better than what I thought it was going to taste, though. Yeah, that's pretty good, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's good. Whey HD by BPI Sports. 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10. You know what I'm talking about? Because I mixed it with water. It's pretty good. Yeah. Go ahead and check that out, y'all. You know what I'm talking about? They supposed to send me a discount code, but I don't know what happened, so whatever. You know, it's all good. But yeah, this is pretty good right here, man. The banana marshmallow flavor, yeah, it's pretty good. I will be putting this in my oatmeal in the morning. But yeah, though, that's enough of that. I'm Hardbody J Timo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And God bless.